We're live today on Facebook. We're doing a live broadcast here. I have Samantha here with us. Say hi. She's interested in the printer today. We're looking at the Genius Pro, which is really nice. And I was telling her how it has direct drive. It has, it heats up really fast. And it's such a great printer. We're talking on comparison to a Creality Ender 3. But it's really good because these heat up much faster. Direct drive on the extruder. And today, Samantha, okay? Right. Because we're doing a promotion right now where we're doing giveaways and all kinds of goodies. And for people coming in, and you're really nice, and you wanted to learn about printers, so guess what? Mom and Dad, Samantha just got a free printer. Yes, $329 worth today is yours. She's taking home a Genius Pro today, compliments of Friendly Hobbies. Nice, huh? So, congratulations. You came in into the right day and the right time, and she is taking home a brand new Genius Pro auto leveling printer. I hope you enjoy it because it's going to be really cool.
Thank you.
Oh, you're more than welcome. I can't wait. Have you ever been on Thingiverse?
I have not.
Okay, Thingiverse, and I want to kind of talk about this. So we're going to show her what we're doing. Thingiverse, really cool. See all the models up there? Those were all printed. I printed them at home on my Genius, the Mario, the Luigi, things like that. Now on Thingiverse, Samantha, it is 8 million free files. And you just go to the Thingiverse, download them, and print them. It's that simple. So you go to Thingiverse, download it. She's ready to go. When you get home, you're going to use Cura. Cura is the slicer. And that's what you bring your project in on, and you put it on the bed, and you can resize it. You can tell it a certain amount of infill and things like that, and then you just print it. So it's super simple. YouTube has a lot of cool information to learn how to do printing and how to use the machine, and explains like infill ratios, things like that. Also on our website, if you go to our website under Friendly Hobbies, we used to teach classes, okay? And on it, if you go to the 3D printer tab, you will see a 3D printer library. And inside there, you'll see there's class manuals, and it tells you where to get all the files, how to download Cura to get it set up, and it's really a great manual, and it's free. So go on there and read through it. Watch a couple YouTube videos. You can always answer it. We'll answer your questions for you and help you as much as we can. But it's a great thing to learn on your own. So when you run into a problem, you know what to do.
Oh, it's with a castle.
So today, she's getting a free printer. Everybody, we're starting this new thing where we're giving stuff away. You come in the right time. You're the lucky person. We're giving a lot of cool things away. So Samantha today just got a beautiful brand new printer. So we're excited for it. You're going to love it.
Thank you again.
Oh, you're welcome. So stay tuned. Stop in the stores. You never know when we're giving something away. And follow us on our social media. Follow us on all of our Instagram, all our social media sites. It's under Friendly Hobbies. And also, stay tuned because Bass Track's coming soon. You saw a video earlier where Steve was out there and they're already starting to practice for it. So, follow us. Bass Track stuff's coming up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.